We just need to get back to common sense controls. Welcome back to SeaTac Studios. My name is Justin, and you might be asking, why are you holding some light switches? Well, it's because I'm actually really excited about this one. Sensorworx has upgraded their system with some new product and features that really make Sensorworx fit in a lot more spaces than it did before, which is so cool. Okay, so I know I'm clearly excited by these wall switches, but we're gonna talk about them in a few minutes. So first, the advanced load controller. That's the SWX-970 that does all of the things that the 950 power pack did before. Now, if you're not familiar with that, let me give you a recap. The 950 power pack is our wireless power pack. Push button to pair, gives yourself dimming as well as auxiliary inputs, so you can do some low voltage cabling for your sensors or other devices, or perhaps tie-ins later. That's all great. The 970 adds a couple of things. One, it makes it a smart system. So now I can take my 970, use that as a head end for my system, so to speak, and control multiple power packs from that 970. That's why it's the advanced load controller. That also gives me an app interface where I can set up different scenes, I can set up different zones all together, and even include time clock control and set time clock settings from a simple application. I don't need a big server, I don't need a big head end, I don't need a giant panel. All I need is one 970 power pack, and I can bring together a whole bunch of those 950s and give myself a pretty flexible system at a great price. Not to mention, it is built in America, BABAA compliance, right out of Connecticut, shipping in 2 to 3 days in most cases. You really can't beat that when it comes to the lighting controls world. So let's take a deeper look at those switches and see what we can do with those. Okay, so back to the switches that I was so excited about. You've got multiple color options, your typical switch trims that are out there. Red, light almond, ivory, gray, black, and white to really bring together any application that you might need. As far as the operation of these switches go, we have 4 scenes to choose from with a raise lower, or we have 2 zones that we can raise lower, toggle on and off. Great for most of your projects that you're going to be needing these switches for. These switches are available with the same battery that you utilize for the other Sensorworx devices. So when are you going to use Sensorworx? Anytime you need to meet the energy code, anytime you need to get off the job quickly, anytime you need to give your customer a system that is going to work for them, be simple to use, simple to operate, and simple to pass on. If you have any questions for us about Sensorworx at all, reach out to your local representative and get those questions answered. Let's get some Sensorworx on your projects today.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our studio videos.